Hey everybody, so I'm Patrick Lamoka. I wasn't planning on filming today, but this yarn is awesome, and I just really had to share it with you. Um, I've got one I'm working on right now, but here's one that I'm not using it to full skein, so I want to use it for the video. It's Butterfly by Hobbii, and oh my goodness, this yarn is amazing. It's soft, it's squishy. Oh, it's so soft. Its stats are basically, it's 100% acrylic. It's DK weight. Um, there's 500 meters or 547 yards in a skein. It calls for a 4 to 4.5 millimeter hook. Same with knitting needles. Like I said, it's a DK, but it's like a single ply tight twist, so it doesn't split. It's not splitty or anything. And it crochets like a dream. This colorway, as you can see, it's all the pinks. It's like a deep pink on the outside, and inside it's got like a brighter pink and then like a bright light pink in there. There's probably some other colors hiding in here. I don't want to dig too much. Yeah, see there's a little bit of white in there. So yeah, this is gorgeous. And the colorway that's colorway number 9 if you go on Hobbii site and you look. And the colorway I'm working with currently, as you can see, I'm about done with the skein. It's burgundy and brown and tan. And then on the inside of it, if I can get it picked up, there's some light and some orange and rust. And I'm getting to the darker colors now. I don't want to show you too much of this because it's a secret. I'm hoping to have it finished by my live on Wednesday. If not by this Wednesday, then I'll have it the following and I'll show it off then. But anyway, I really just wanted to show you guys this yarn. And when I say it crochets like a dream, I mean, talk about some stitch definition. I mean, wow. It's gorgeous. It's lovely. If you're looking for a new acrylic that you want to try out, I'd go to Hobbii and get some Butterfly. It's currently, I think, $12.84 on the site right now. But anyway, that's all I really wanted to say. If this was of any interest to you, hit the like button. And that's it. And I will see you either on Wednesday or in my next video. Bye.